Howdy.
Hello. Look, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but
Don't tell me, let me guess.
that's not how we operate around here.
Go ahead, do it.
Like I was saying, we're gonna have to let you go.
Sweet salty socks.
Is that a saying?
You want this fight? Okay, you got it.
Look, I'm sorry, we're downsizing.
You really have a way of putting things.
Yeah, I mean, look, it's very corporate.
I mean, what would Shakespeare say if you were here?
Probably to fire or not to fire, that is the question.
No! Please don't do it!
Quiet down! Oh my god, okay, fine. We'll fire somebody else to make this work.
You're fired.
Yeah. I mean, no, I'm not fired, you are.